Is the down payment myth blocking your path to homeownership? Whether you're a first-time or repeat buyer, chances are you don't need to put 20% down when buying a home. The most damaging down payment myth, since it stops the home buying process before it can start, is the belief that 20% is necessary. Today's median down payment is less than 20%. Don't let a common myth hold you back from home ownership. Let's connect to make sure you have all the facts you need to know in the home buying process.